Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. 3 regular puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4 Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've told you, Johan Neeskens, passed away, yeah. Famous soccer player. The first Johan is Johan Cruyff. And this one, Johan Neeskens, is also a famous soccer player. Also played in Barcelona, I believe. Barcelona. Alright. Second puzzle, I 4 Stars Sudoku number 9398. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 Stars Sudoku has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated it's with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Right. Need a 3 here also. Need a 5 there. Need a 1 there. I'm thinking. Well. Need a 4. I need a 7 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and the 6 in this column, so no 8 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Thanks. Heb je Sima nog gezien?
Ja. Hoezo?
Ja, dan moet ik ook de lijst hebben.
Ik heb wel gezien, maar ze was nog niet aan het tellen geloof ik. Dus,
Oh, nog niet aan het tellen? Had begrepen zo het gesprek toch?
Ja.
Ja, dat is goed.
Ja?
Okay, thanks. Apologies for the interruption. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 4, 7, 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the first row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left on the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and the 2. Let me mark those, 1 and 2. Okay, so I need a 6 there. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. 1, 1, 1. Need the 1 there. Need 1 here. Here can be 1. Could be 1, could be 1. Yeah. 6. Well, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. Second column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. Only place left with 6 in the first row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers to 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column now, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So here 2 numbers left, the 1 and 2. Okay. Let me think. Well. 1 and 2, so you need a 2 there. I need a 1 here. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 6. Need a 7. 5, 6, 7, and I need a 4. Alright. Come on. Yeah. 3. Need a 3 there. 2, 3, 9. Well. 9. Yeah. 8, 6. Yeah. Need to think now. I need to think. Think hard. 5, 5. 6. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 9. And a 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck here. 4, need a 4 there. 4. Come on. 9 minutes already passed. Still thinking. Let me put some numbers then. 2. 7. 2, 7, 2, 7. How about here? Must be a hidden number. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Ah. Wait. 3, 5. 3, 5. Let me put some numbers. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, only 2 places left. 5. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. What this 7? Need a 7 here. No, we already have a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3. Second column, only 3 places, level 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 is 7, could be here, could be there. 7. 2, 5, need a 3, need a 9. 3 and a 9. Well, 2 and a 9. 2, 9, 3. Well, I need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. Overlooked. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left, 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 2 in this column, sorry, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between the only place left, 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 here, so this box should be a 1. 1 over 2, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. How about the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. Here give me 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. Here give me 7. We have 7 in this column. No 7. The only place left with 7 should be there then. We need a 7 here then. 7, okay. 4 and the 6. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4, 4, okay. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. No, need a 4 here. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. Need 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, now only place level 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. These are number 4, number 3. Alright. So we have 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place level 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 4. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 now in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. Yeah. Not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it would be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.